Hello my friend, this is its deal. This is the best holiday beauty box of 2025 and I'm not lying to you. Look at this. Yes, this is Estée Lauder Holiday Blockbuster 2025 in my hands, my friends. I'm so excited to introduce to you the best deal of the year. My name Katerina and of course I'm your favorite beauty stylist. Subscribe, comments below and let's start. Love you more than ice cream. Save the day, October 7th, this amazing blockbuster from Estée Lauder are available for you. DM me on my Instagram, Katya Beauty Style, pre-sale with me. I will always put extra gift for you. Of course, I'm gonna put my link below. One more time, October 7th, this blockbuster gonna available for sale. I know you want to see this incredible holiday box close. We have a 9 full-size products here and 2 traveling sizes of some items. $90 price with any Estée Lauder purchase, but value of this box, do you see this? $652. Very quick, we have cleanser, serum, eye cream, moisturizer, hand cream, balm, blush balm. This is something really new. I never see this item or these products before. Then we have a beautiful lip gloss, mascara, eyeshadow and 2 beautiful lipstick. They are limited edition, this lipstick, my friends, and of course this palette too. I personally so excited. I cannot wait to open and play with this palette, my friends. Also, we have a beautiful, gorgeous makeup case. I really like this year they give us QR code you can scan and learn more about this beautiful holiday blockbuster. Also, we have on another side how many items and how big these items, and it's telling us this product for lips, this is product for eyes, and how many months they good. Let's try these products. I definitely want to play with colors, my friends, but we don't just have colors, we have skincare here too. First item, it's cleanser. Of course, should be your first step, and this is Advanced Night Repair Cleansing Gel Foam Face with 15 amino acid. It's naturally found skin protective barrier. A lot of you think about it says nighttime repair, nighttime. We all think about you should use this only at night. No, this cleanser, my friends, you can use day and night. We have with you 2.5 ounce or 75 ml. Next item is Advanced Night Repair Serum. Which one you should use? Morning and night, my friends, before any moisturizer. This is such a lovely serum, my friends. You should use one more time before any cream you use. What it does, it's good for lines, wrinkles, dryness, lost elasticity, and will firm your skin, my friends. Price point, oh my god, if you're gonna buy this side by itself, it's gonna cost you $85 and whole this entire set it's $90. It's incredible deal. Next skincare items, Advanced Night Repair Gel Eye Cream. We have a full size here, 0.5 ounce or 15 ml. It's a very beautiful silky gel texture for lines, wrinkles, have vitamin E, and of course it's gonna help you with your dark circles. Next, we have Revitalizing Supreme Moisturizer. You can use this moisturizer day and night. It's good for hydration, lost elasticity, and this is your anti-aging moisturizer, my friends. We have with you 1 ounce or 30 ml and have a very nice, lovely scent. Texture, it's pretty creamy, my friends. It's perfect for winter. Another cute skincare item, and this is its Renutritive hand cream. I love this side. It's perfect to keep in your purse. We have with you 1 ounce or 30 ml, and I love this texture a lot. It is creamy, but it's very quick absorbing in my skin. Time to play with makeup, my friends. And I know some of you gonna ask me, Katerina, can you remove this big piece? Oh yes, you have a plenty room inside where you can keep your extra makeup. Next items, I want you to see very close, my friends. You want to see this lipstick very close. This packaging very festive. I actually really like this side because you can use this as a mirror. We have Estée Lauder logo right here, and we have 2 different colors, my friends. First color, it's Velvet Ribbon. This is its limited edition lipstick. Oh my god, do you see these details? So beautiful and fancy, my friends. I like this color a lot. Not everyone wants red lipstick for Christmas, right? But you definitely want one of these. This is its first color, Velvet Ribbon. Beautiful rose color, rich, creamy formula, my friends. And I love this color a lot. Next color, it's Rose Ribbon. Let's see. Oh wow, very beautiful. A little bit more softer colors than previous color, my friends, but look at these details on this lipstick. And I knew you're gonna love this color a lot. This color you can use any day, anytime. It's gorgeous, and look how gorgeous this lipstick, my friends. It's a piece of art. Let's try first lipstick, Rose Ribbon. This is the lightest color. Wow, what a lovely formula. It's creamy, it's rich. Oh my god, if you have a dry lips, you must have this lip color, my friends. It feels incredible on my lips. This lipstick is staying with me. Let me know in the comments below what is your favorite lip color on me, and please give a like to this video, my friends. How it's YouTube works, if you give a like to this video, they will push my video and more people will see this video, my friends. Love you more than ice cream. I really appreciate your support. Next color, it's Velvet Ribbon. Wow, this lip color looks so good too. I definitely need your help. Wow, I'm impressed because creamy, rich, it just feels so luxurious on my lips. I am truly impressed. Both this color will look not just good on me, on you too. Now let's see another side. We have a 2 brochure here. This is brochure invite you and me come to Estée Lauder calendar and compliment to receive a consultation. Then another one, scan the QR code on the box to try holiday looks inspired by this joyful collection. This is really nice, my friends. Okay, we have a big packet here. Oh my god, we have a full-size mascara. We have eyeshadow, my friend, right here, and we have a brand new limited edition blush. I never see this blush before. Let me show you really close these products, my friends. I love you with an ice cream. Let's try this blush. This is something new and unique. I never see blush like this from Estée Lauder. It looks like a lipstick, but this is your cream balm stick. Oh my god, look at how beautiful and cute this blush, my friends. This is its multi-usage blush. Let's open and see. Oh my god, looks so cute. Looks like it's like a brownish red color with little bit goldy undertone. Let's try. Very balmy, very light. This is, I will say, more like highlighting balm to me, my friends. Of course, I'm gonna try. I don't see much color. Maybe we can add few more times and see. But this is, to me, it's like multi-usage balm for your face. Very sheer, but I'm pretty sure it's gonna give me a little bit color on my cheek. I try and blush. It's pretty creamy and sheer. I'm gonna apply a few more times. It feels very balmy and creamy, my friends. For winter, it's a good blush. Usually my skin very feels dry winter time, and it's not just blush, it's giving me this nice beautiful glow. I hope you can see, but it looks so pretty on me. I would say it's a blush, balm and highlighter too. Even it's not a, I will say, shimmer here, it just gives me this natural glow. I like this blush a lot. Let's look at this eyeshadow palette together. Nothing special. I'm very happy they give us a name of each eyeshadow, which one includes this gorgeous eyeshadow palette. But let's open, let's see. Wow, oh my god, wow, look at these colors. We have a beautiful matte light color Lauder, then we have rose one, then it's a pretty reddish orange color. We have a soft taupe matte color, gorgeous purple, my friends. Another color, it's a beautiful matte brown color and soft black. This is incredible colors, my friends. First color, it's matte and it's a beautiful pinky peachy color. Then it's a very beautiful pearly pink color, light color. Then this is, I will say, like a rosy satin finish. We have a beautiful taupey color with a little bit purple undertone. Then we have a satin finish, gorgeous purple colors, my friends. Then it's a warm color, warm brown color, and last color, it's a soft black. Very pretty, very gorgeous. You can use them every day, this color, and they are very light and soft pigment. Time to play with eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the lightest color and I'm gonna apply on entire my eyelid. First color, it's done. This is its second color, will be my middle color, my friends. These two eyeshadow look pretty and soft. I really want to try this purple color on me. Let's put in the center of my eyelid. Oh, it's go very soft. It's not much pigment, my friends. Let me use my finger. This color, it's really subtle, my friend, but it looks so pretty. It's popped my eyes and my eyes looks way more blue. Let's add a little bit darker color in the corner right here, my friends, for extra lift. Let's add little bit light pink color under my brow bone for extra lift. Little bit on the corner of my eyes. And let me refresh my lashes with Extreme Sumptuous Mascara. This mascara gonna give me lots of volume, my friends. I love my makeup a lot. Let me know in the comments below, do you like or not? But I think I need to change a lipstick. I'm wearing right now velvet ribbon and I think I need to go with rose one. I changed my lip color, my friends, because I think rose ribbon, it's a perfect lipstick for my eye makeup, my friends. And now let's put little bit lip gloss, and it's a beautiful soft, very neutral lip gloss. Let's try. This lip gloss, it feels like lip gloss, lip oil together. It has a little bit perfumy taste, but I think it looks fabulous on my lips. Love you was an ice cream. I hope you have a good time with me today. If you're new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe, comments below, give it a thumbs up to this video, and one more time, love you more than ice cream, my friends. And all I wanna say right now, dun 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 dun. I know it's early, but so many holiday Christmas releases, it's already in the store. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to review a warm set from Estée Lauder too.